Today we are talking about the powerful mental faculty of our memory and how to really harness that power and use it to accelerate your results. Hi, it's Stacey Berger here with Mastering Your Mindset. As a life and business coach, I am passionate about you living a life that you love. Jeff and I have a running joke around the word Sudoku. I had read once that Sudokus are a great way to improve your short-term memory or your long-term memory, and there's lots of times where I'll say something to Jeff and he'll go, I didn't know anything about it. And I'll go, yeah, you did. And it feels like people have this selective memory or just a really poor short-term memory. And I'll say, it's time to do a Sudoku. We all have these very powerful mental faculties that when we understand what they are and how to use them, it can create these quantum leaps inside of our lives. And one of those is our memory. The problem with our memory is most of us use it to torment ourselves. We remember all the times that we failed, when it didn't work out, when we were rejected, when things didn't go the way that we wanted. And as you're bringing up those memories when things fell apart, when it didn't work out, pretty soon you're feeling it's like you're reliving that memory, that moment right now. And it impacts how you're feeling in this moment. So what if instead you used your memory to remember the times that you felt successful, that you felt in love, connected, when you felt prosperous or abundant, and you use your memory to remember those times where things were working out. And as you do that, you'll start to feel it now. So do this with me right now for a second. Think about a time in your life where you felt successful. Maybe it was walking across the stage to receive a diploma or university degree. Maybe it was a time where you received a promotion or you signed your ideal client. Maybe it was a time in your life where you got somebody congratulated you and it was somebody that you looked up to and it just really meant a lot to you. Think about that memory in that moment right now and how it felt. And now notice how you're feeling right now. Our memory, our subconscious mind, it doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's imagined. So as we think about that moment, that memory, we start to feel better now. And it's in this moment right now where your power is. So as we tap into those past memories, it helps us to put on that feeling, put on that emotion now. And by feeling better now, we take different actions. We have different ideas, which leads to a different result. So what area in your life right now are you wanting to improve? Is it in your health? Is it your relationships? Is it in your career or that vocation, your creative expression? Is it in your financial or your time and money freedom? So if it's in your relationships, and if you could think about a time when I think about my relationships and the positive memories of my life, I remember the first Valentine's Day that Jeff and I had and all the little things that he did and the romantic gestures, or I'll think about our wedding day and standing at that end of that aisle looking into each other's eyes and how we felt. You might think about your first love and when you first held hands and where you could feel that energy running through your body. And you can remember that and feel it now. If you're wanting to improve your financial freedom, think about that time. Maybe it was your first paycheck and how good it felt to put that money in the bank. Maybe it was buying your first home or paying for your first vacation. Maybe it was finding $20 in your pocket or in an old winter jacket. Think about those times where you felt abundant, you felt prosperous. And a really powerful exercise that I often have my clients do is just to sit down for 10 minutes and write down all of those memories. It doesn't matter if it was from when you were 5 years old or from today, but just list down all those memories. And pretty soon, you're gonna be feeling really, really good about yourself. So using that memory to serve you and serve your vision instead of torment yourself is a powerful way to tap into one of the 6 mental faculties. There are 5 other powerhouse mental faculties. And what I've done is I've put those together in a short online program where you can really learn and discover what they are. There's exercises on how to develop them further so that you can really put them in use to access those mental faculties in service of your dreams. So if you're ready to really harness your mental faculties, those superpowers in service of your dreams to create those quantum leaps, click below to find all of the details and the information to take advantage of that opportunity. So your memory, using that memory to access when things were all working out in service of your dreams today. And here is to your success.